Realistic RC model, farm harvester. Highly realistic design, precisely replicated structure. Agricultural machinery operation, simulated harvesting work. Highly realistic scale model. Fill with water and secure the cap. One button mist spray, simulated exhaust effect. Bright lights, simulated night operation. Linked lighting system, lights flash when reversing. One button activation hazard warning flashers. Precise control to 0.4G high frequency remote. Header supports up and down angle adjustment, proportional speed control adjust real speed from slow to fast. Immersive farming operations, realistic agricultural simulation. Authentic farm machine design roof grain bin structure. Remote controlled unloading pipe stops at any angle. Simulated agricultural operations recreates the grain collection process. Expandable play, supports rear trailer connection. Simulates real transport work, one button remote trailer lift. Powerful pulling force, easy and exciting towing. Vacuum rubber tires, stable grip and wear resistant. Exquisite desktop display, agricultural machinery aesthetic. Precise speed adjustment, proportional throttle control. Smooth driving experience, flexible speed gear adjustment. Flashing reverse lights, reverse alert sound effects. Immersive driving experience, flexible remote control. Realistic RC model, farm harvester.